What started as a reckless driving stop on a Florida highway quickly spiraled into an arrest after deputies say a young driver refused to follow repeated commands during the encounter. According to deputies, the woman was clocked driving more than 80 miles per hour in a 55 zone while weaving through traffic on US 19, creating what officers described as a danger to other drivers on the road.
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
You got your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Sir, I'm trying to find it right now. Here's my license.
Thank you, ma'am. You know why I stopped you?
No, sir.
No? You were driving pretty fast. You know what the speed limit is here?
I see it says 55.
You were doing upwards of 80. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you have your registration?
I don't think so. I don't know what it looks like.
Okay. Well, just do me a favor. Just see if you can't find it. I'm just going to go back here and run this, make sure everything's good on our end, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, so just hang tight and see if you can't find that registration, all right?
I can't. You want to ask why? Yeah, you need to. Why? Am I going to go to jail? Why am I? No.
Just hand me your keys. Just hand me your keys. Hey,
What are you doing?
give me your keys.
No!
Give me your keys. Ma'am, give me your keys.
Get away from me!
Give me your keys.
Get away from me!
Give me your keys.
He has
Ma'am.
my keys! He has my keys! Mom!
No one has your keys. Step out of the vehicle. Unbuckle. Step out of the vehicle.
Hey, get away
Ma'am,
from me!
unbuckle. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
Get away from
Step
me!
out of the vehicle.
Ow!
Step out of the
You
vehicle.
don't let me go so that I can get out!
Move your hand.
Hey
Move your
Siri,
hand.
call Auntie Boo!
Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the
Okay?
vehicle.
You're dragging me out of the
Because you're not
car!
listening.
No, that's not
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey!
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey! What are y'all doing?
Why are you not listening? Let go of the phone.
Let
Go with the phone.
Oh my gosh, please!
Huh?
Ow! Please help!
Just relax.
No, what are you
Relax.
guys doing?
You're not listening.
Why am I under arrest? Why am I under arrest?
First, the stop remained calm. The driver handed over her license and spoke respectfully with deputies while searching for her registration. But the situation changed when officers asked for her keys, explaining they did not want her driving away due to the nature of the stop. The driver repeatedly questioned the request and refused to hand the keys over. Deputies then ordered her out of the vehicle. As officers attempted to remove the keys and detain her, the encounter became physical, with the woman continuing to question why she was being arrested while officers accused her of refusing lawful commands and resisting detention. Later in the stop, a supervising deputy explained to the woman's uncle that officers originally intended to release her with a notice to appear rather than take her to jail. According to deputies, the arrest only happened after she refused instructions and physically interfered with officers during the stop.
Ask you why?
You don't have to know. You don't have to know.
Why don't I have to know? What? Can you please let me call somebody?
We're past that at this point.
What did I do to you? You're dog walking me outside of my car. What did I do to you? What am I being arrested for? Oh my God.
You have an email for first search. Just go through that car for me.
No, what are y'all doing? Hey, stop slamming me in the car.
No one's slamming you.
Yes,
Relax.
you
No
are.
one's slamming you.
Yes, you are. I'm
Just
not
relax.
doing anything. Look at you.
Just relax.
No, I'm not doing anything. Oh, why are you searching my car? You cannot search
You're
my
under
car.
arrest.
No, explain it to me now. Explain it to me now.
Checking the grass and the keys are covered.
What am I under arrest for?
Reckless driving and obstruction.
Obstruction of what, sir?
Failing to listen to law.
What lawful command did you give me that I didn't listen to?
Told you to give me your keys, and then when we told you to step out, you refused to do so.
You guys were already coming up on my car on both sides. What
It
do you
doesn't
mean?
matter. You're under arrest.
Arrest for what? I'm not understanding what you're talking about at all.
You got to drink.
I haven't been drinking, sir.
This female, she's going to search. Do you have anything illegal on your person that she needs to know about? What she does?
No.
Okay.
Do you have anything on you? You have anything concealed in your undergarments or in your pockets?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna check, okay? Separate your feet for me.
You just asked me to separate them. I am. You don't have to kick my ankle.
Okay, all right. This is good. Is she going in your car?
Guy, you want to put her in ours?
Yes.
Just right over here.
Actually, can she sit in yours?
Absolutely.
Can I please
Come
call
on
my
back over
aunt?
here. Not yet. Come on back over here.
Can I get my stuff, please?
Nope.
I just go ahead.
We're gonna go around to the passenger side.
Stay tight for a minute, all right?
What stuff did you want?
My phone.
Your phone?
Yes.
Okay. You have a purse or anything in there?
No.
Okay. Hang tight. Huh?
I do have my purse, but I need my phone.
Okay. You don't get your phone.
I have multiple things in there.
Okay. They're not going anywhere.
You gotta give me a call. You right there. You can tell me why
I don't have to tell you.
You don't have to. You right. You don't have to.
I'm not
You
going
don't have
to.
to. We're not gonna do this tit for tat. All right. I came
Alright.
down here to ask you a question.
Yeah,
Maybe you was the wrong one I should have talked to when I got out.
Yep.
All right.
Okay. You can.
Sir,
Thank
what,
you.
sir, what can I help you with?
Yes, I'm trying to figure out. I just got a call. My niece traveling from Pasco back to Sarasota,
Sure.
being arrested,
Correct.
and I drove all the way down here. I'm trying to find out why.
Sure.
I'm driving the highway to see why.
Yeah, I can tell
Then
you.
once I see, could you please tell me if you don't mind?
Absolutely. So your niece was traveling at 25 miles per hour over the speed limit, weaving between heavy congested US 19 traffic, causing dangers to other vehicles on the roadway.
Okay.
We conducted a traffic stop on the vehicle, complete cordial encounter. Our initial intent was to release her with what's called a notice to appear, which is like a ticket to show up for court.
Okay.
All right. At that time, I asked her to hand me her keys for the vehicle because of the nature of how she was driving, and I didn't want her to drive away from
Erratic.
us. It was a lawful request. She
Okay.
refused that lawful request. I asked her multiple times without getting in her car, without pulling her out of the car. She continued to refuse. At that time, I told my partner, Officer Compador, to go ahead and have her exit the vehicle. I attempted to pull the keys out of the vehicle. She swatted my hand away to try and keep me from pulling the key out. I still pulled the key out. We went, pulled her out of the vehicle, placed her under arrest. She's currently under arrest for reckless driving and resisting an officer with violence and speeding.
Speeding, resisting arrest,
And
and what
reckless
else?
driving. And reckless driving.
Let me have your, do you have a card?
Sure, I can get you a
Let
card.
me get your card,
Yeah.
because I'm going to write all this down and all that. And that was very simple. That's all I need.
Intention on giving you a call back as soon as we were done here, because our first priority is getting her up to the jail, getting our paperwork completed, and then I had every intention on calling you, okay? However, right, we don't owe you an explanation
No, you
because
don't.
she's an adult, right?
Right.
She made her own choices, right?
But this was simple. You see that?
I understand, but you have to understand that
I understand all of that, man. I do.
tensions are high, man. My recommendation going forward, right? If you have any kind of relationship with her, understand this would have not ended in an arrest. That officer, that's my partner. He's in training right now. I'm training him. I had every intention on explaining to him that she probably, because she has a clean driving record.
Right.
I said we're going to release her probably with an NTA. That's what I was going to tell him up until she resisted and wouldn't follow simple instructions. So if you have a relationship with her, I would advise that you tell her that this could have all been avoided, and now she has a criminal record. So I will absolutely get you a card with all of our information on it. All right.
Clean record, man. That's why I'm sitting there like.
But again, we were cordial with her from the get-go. 25 over the speed limit. She was going 80 in the 55, weaving between cars.
All right, and
She was southbound on US 19,
Right.
going over the hump.
In the end, the situation was resolved on the side of the road after a tense interaction between the driver and deputies. The incident shows how quickly routine traffic stops can become more complicated when communication breaks down during an investigation.